All right, guys, we are now in week 1 of the 2-week study plan, and I'm not going to waste any time. Let's go ahead and dive right in. So, as you can see here, the week is pretty stacked with reading, right? Wednesday, you kind of got a light day. Thursday, quite a few little chapters in here. Friday's another light day. Every chapter here covers all of the topics and subtopics that the College Board is going to test you on. If you go to the College Board website and you look at the breakdown for biology, you'll notice that these chapters correspond directly to the breakdown. So all the information that you could ever need to pass your exam is right here. 2 weeks is plenty of time to get a really great amount of studying in. So for Monday here, our required reading, as you can see, chemical composition of organisms. Here are your chapters. Then we also have cells. For your flashcards, let's see, we're going to break this up over 2 weeks. We got quite a bit of sections to go through for 2 weeks. So for Monday's going to be a little stacked, but I think we can manage. Molecular biology is just 5 flashcards in here. But Chemical Foundations of Life has about 73 flashcards. And then Cell Structure has about 28. So let's go ahead and tackle Molecular Biology, Chemical Foundation of Life, and Cell Structure. That'll be your flashcards for Monday. As far as your study guide goes, that's roughly about 30 pages here in this study guide. I think we can tackle about 4 to 5 pages a day. So for Monday, we'll go over molecular biology. We'll read about bonds, different types of bonds, just some basic vocabulary and key concepts here. And we'll go ahead and stop at cell division. Going back to your 2-week study plan for your required reading, Tuesday we have enzymes, energy transformation. For your flashcards for Tuesday, let's go over meiosis, sexual reproduction, and photosynthesis. For your study guide lessons for Tuesday, we're going to start with cell division, and then we are going to stop at structural and regulatory genes. Wednesday's a pretty light day. We got cell division, and then for your flashcards on Wednesday, we're going to get into organismal biology. We're going to do plant reproduction. Wednesday's going to be a little heavy on the flashcards. We're going to do plant reproduction, biological macromolecules, and we're going to do plant form. All right, those are going to be your Wednesday flashcards. For your study guide lesson on Wednesday, we're going to start at structural and regulatory genes, and we're going to end on homeostatic mechanisms. Getting into Thursday, reading for this day is pretty stacked, so we're going to go light on the flashcards, light on the study guide. We last left off at animal reproduction and development for flashcards. So the only thing that I really want you to focus on for Thursday is animal body and function, okay? Now, if you want to get into population, be my guest. The more time, the more effort that you put into the study process, the higher your score. So for your study guide lesson on Thursday, we're going to start at homeostatic mechanisms, and we are going to end on community structure growth, regulation, major biomes, and successions. All right, that is for Thursday. Getting into Friday, decently stacked reading plan for Friday, plant reproduction and development. For your flashcards on Friday, we're going to finish up with ecosystems. And if you didn't do population Thursday, go ahead and knock out population for Friday. Study guide, we're going to go ahead and finish up this bad boy. So we're going to start with community structure, growth, regulation, major biomes, and succession. And we're going to go ahead and take it all the way to page 30, which is human intervention in the natural world. And that will complete your lesson for week 1. And the good thing about this is that in just 1 week, we've already gone through all of our flashcards. We've gone through the entire study guide. And the weekend is just for review. What I want you to do on the weekend, I want you to review the flashcards that you went over for the first week, and I want you to review all of the lessons in the study guide that you went over in week 1. I hope that you're taking notes when you're reading these chapters. I want you to treat this like a 2-week college class. If you read these lessons, if you take notes, you understand what it is that you're reading, you go through the flashcards, you go through the study guide, you review on the weekend. You do this for 2 weeks, I promise you, you will pass this exam. All right, guys, that's going to do it for week 1. Looking forward to seeing you in the week 2 video.